Welcome everyone to Rejoice International School. I am Ms. Isha conducting the session for Science Unit 1 Skeletons, all about human body and animals. So far we have learned that we have skeletons, even some animals have skeletons. In the last session we also learned that just like the different parts of the body have different names, different bones also have different names. And let's just do a recap of session 2 quickly and move on to today's session. Our bones are made of long bones, legs, arms, thigh, short bones, fingers, flat bone, skull, irregular bones like spine. We have learned 6 names of bones, 6 to 7 names of bones. Skull, jawbone, shoulder blades, collarbone, rib cage, and vertebrae. In the last session, I asked you a question: if the giraffes have more bones in their necks or the humans? Well, the answer is we both have same bones. Yes, we both have same number of bones in the neck. So even giraffes have 7 vertebrae and even we have 7 vertebrae in our neck. It's just that the giraffe has longer bones and larger bones and we have smaller, but we both have same number of bones. So, from skull, jawbone, collarbone, ribcage, the shoulder blades and the vertebrae, we are moving on to learn more in detail about the bones in hands and legs. Before that, let's do a quick recap. Skull bone, jawbone, collarbone, rib cage, vertebrae, and shoulder blade. I hope you all remembered this much. Let's move on to now the bones in the hands. This is elbow bone. Elbow bone. This is wrist bone. Wrist bone. Then we have finger bones and a thumb bone. Elbow, wrist, thumb, and finger bones. Easy, right? Let's move on to the next one. Hip bone, also called as pelvis. Thigh bone, it's the largest bone in the body and it is also called a femur bone. Kneecap, shin bone, ankle bone, and toe bones. In fact, I can give you more detailed names of these bones as well, but in this semester we are going to be learning only this much. So I'll go back from the top, starting from the hip bone, the pelvis bone, the thigh bone, also the femur bone and the largest bone in the body, kneecaps, shin bone, ankle bone, and toe bone. Let's play a game. It's a memory game. I will show you this picture for 10 seconds and you will have to remember as many bones as you see. Alright? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, are you all ready? I have given you the spellings of the names of the bones. So, this is your first time, so I'll help you out with the spelling. But in that particular picture, how many bones were listed that you are going to write in your books and show it to me? For now, I will just read out the names of the bones. Skull, jawbone, collarbone, rib cage, shin bone, kneecap, femur or a thigh bone, vertebrae, toe bone, wrist bone, shoulder blade, elbow bone, and the hip bone. So how many of you remember all the bones in the picture? Let's go back to the picture. It has skull right here, vertebrae, rib cage, wrist bone, finger and thumb as well, you can write. This is a shoulder blade, shin bone, pelvis, wrist bone, kneecap, and ankle bone. Or you can also write shin bone over here. You can also mention toe bones. I hope you all got a good score. So, in this session, we learned 10 names of the bones in our body. Elbow bone, wrist bone, finger bone, thumb bone, and also the bones in the legs, which are hip bone, femur bone, the largest bone in the body, kneecap, shin bone, ankle bone, and toe bone. So, I have a home activity project for you. You need to make a skeleton out of matchsticks or earbuds, chalk and black chart paper or pasta or sticks. You can use any material you want to make a skeleton. See, I have given some pictures of the skeletons made out of X-rays. Yes, if you have X-rays, the real X-rays of the bones, then please assemble them and make the whole human skeleton. If not, it's fine if you make it out of paint and paper or maybe out of vegetables as you can see in this picture, or maybe out of straws, out of earbuds, out of sticks or matchsticks, earbuds, or actual cutting of the bones, of the shapes of the bones. Here somebody's made a pasta, and that's all for now. Now I will request you to watch a video which is mentioned over here and learn everything in detail about the bones. I will share this in the description, or you can note it down and see it for yourself later on. It goes something like this. As I told you earlier. Vertebrae, arm bones, rib cage, femur bones. They are all the large bones. Jawbone, vertebrae, irregular bones. Just like this, you can enjoy the whole video as per your convenience. Moving on to the last slide. Let's play a game online. By clicking on this particular link, you will be able to assemble different kind of bones and in a fun way. So I hope you enjoyed the session. Let's meet in the next session. where we will learn more about why and how the skeleton supports our body. Thank you very much. That's it for now. Signing off on behalf of Rejoice International School, this is me, Miss Isha Shah. Bye-bye. Stay safe and stay home. Bye-bye.